Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video obviously is a deep cleaning with me in my kitchen, and girl, it needed it. So all I'm doing right here is taking down, who knows, last week, 2 weeks laundry and getting ready for some more laundry. Like, hi, that's pretty much all I do is laundry, wash clothes, wash my work clothes. And then what I'm doing right here is taking everything out of my kitchen so that way I can do a deep mopping and sweeping, because a lot of times I just leave all that stuff there and just sweep around it. Hi, welcome to my lazy rebel queen life. Alright, and then of course catching up on any dishes that I have to do. And you guys, I am so sorry that my butt crack is eating my pants. Big booty life. Welcome to the life. So yes, let me know what your guys' main thing that you always have to tackle every day in your house. I always like to try to keep up with my dishes, but life sometimes takes over. And you guys, sometimes I can let my dishes pile up for 2 to 3 days. Like today, it took me an hour and a half to do all my dishes. I had a full dishwasher, full strainer, and full counter. Yes, I suck at life, you guys. So right here, I'm just trying to keep up because I wanted to do a deep cleaning. And of course, I always do this. I don't just do this on a deep cleaning, just to make sure any gross food particles, dishes sitting there for a couple days, bacteria grows. And I just like to clean the inside of my sink, and then I do the outer side of my sink with my chemical that I will talk about in a couple clips. And you guys, this sink thing that we bought for our house, such a lifesaver. I love how you can just pull it down and get going. You don't have that extra gizmo. And of course, I always throw my strainer in there for bacterial purposes. And let's start this dishwasher so that way, as that's running, we can finish doing everything else. And this is the cleaner I use. All I use is I buy some of that Lysol lemon cleaner. You can pick it up at Walmart, and it comes like, I buy the refillable jug, and pretty much all it is like the Lysol spray, and I just dilute it with water so that way it doesn't like, it's not overpowering, because I do have allergy problems. And of course, we got to spray down my little bar area, because I am also taking down Halloween decorations as I was filming this. So it made it a little difficult, but we survived. And of course, giving my floors a good sweep. You guys, I hate wood floors. I would so much rather have carpet, but one thing I do like about my wood floors is it cuts down on allergies like I do suffer with, and also all the dirt and stuff that I pick up from my floors. If I had carpet, it would just sink down into the carpet. So that's the only good thing about having hardwood floors, is you actually see your dirt. and then I'm just going in with Buddies. I do not recommend this, from the Dollar Tree. And then I use my Bona, I don't know how you pronounce it, but I dilute that also with water so it's not potent. And since the Dollar Tree wet pads are not very wet, so that's why I do use this method with these specific wet, because normally I use the Swiffer Wet Jet pads and I don't have to really do that, but since I am giving my kitchen a really good clean, I decided why not shine up my hardwood floors. And like I said, I use Bona, I don't know exactly how it's pronounced, but it is good for hardwood floors if you are curious. And you guys, the Swiffer saves. I hate mopping, and I would so much use this over a mop any day. Just put your pad on and you're good to go. Look how it leaves your floor nice and shiny. I love that Bona. Alright, and this thing right here is just a, I don't really know, like, what I call it is like my after mopping duster picker upper, because it kind of just picks up the loose dirt. This is such a lifesaver, especially like if you've missed anything from sweeping to mopping to anything like that. This bad boy is really good when it comes to that, and I picked this up at Walmart if you are curious, but it is a hardwood floor lifesaver, you guys. Alright, and we are pretty much done at this point. So all I'm doing right here is just putting everything back. I've shook off those rugs in my dining room, so that way I wasn't bringing dirty stuff back into my clean area. And one thing I hate about cleaning a room is I feel like if I go into another room and I have to go back in that clean room, I'm dragging dirt into it. I don't know, I'm weird. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this deep clean with me of my kitchen. It really needed it. I hope it gives you guys some motivation. If it did, let me know down in the comments if you got on it and you started getting up and cleaning and all that great, wonderful stuff. One other thing I do want to throw out there is I don't do cleaning videos all the time, but my channel is about me, my life, so it's going to be a little bit of everything. So that's one thing I did kind of want to throw out there is like, don't expect certain types of videos all the time, because I'm very different person. I do everything. I do a little bit of everything, you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big, huge thumbs up, and I'll see you soon in my next video. See you guys. Such a good feeling when your house is clean, but you're tired as hell. But still, it's always such a good feeling, you guys. After you deep clean your house, you give it a nice refresh, you make it smell really good. Oh, it's such a good feeling. I love that feeling. And my nice shiny floors. I love it. See you guys.